already know what's going on. It's your boy Theo, aka Bossed Up. My girl Yaz in the building. Miss Can You Talk Philly, the greatest podcast out right now. We going hard tonight. This that late night chicken edition. We right down here at Moby's on Broadway. You know, in the hood where we always do it no good. Everybody need that chicken once you leave the club. We want to know who got the best chicken. You know the chicken tastes better when you drink it. So I think we should go get lit first, right? Then we going to see who got the best chicken. We got a three-way competition today. We got Masseys versus Dino versus Stokos. So she already ready. Let's get it popping like a bag of corn. Let's go.
Where that chicken at, dog? Where that chicken at? Where that chicken at, dog? Where that chicken at? If you catch me in your hood, man, I'm trying to see what's good. Where that chicken at, dog? Where that chicken at? From the east to the west, trying to see who got the best. Where the chicken at, dog? Where that chicken at? This that hood, the hood, the hood, the hood chicken.
Drinking tonight.
Yo, I'm drinking reposado with lime juice.
I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. Something. Let's get lit.
Stop that. I hear him chat to the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man so tough, but mans keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize. White girls let it tell me I'm awesome. Yeah, hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch me, please use caution. Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in a cage, I'ma let out the. Wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one man, forget my peace. You take the west, I take on the east. I'ma put him in the cage, never let out the. I hear him chat to the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man so tough, but
Drunk yet? Oh, you a real pro.
I'm a real pro.
So we gonna take one more of this. No. Let's go. Where the hood chicken? Okay.
Yes.
Now that's how you turn up.
All the way up.
Now we ready to eat some chicken and shit. Can we make it to the chicken? We ain't driving.
We ain't driving.
We ain't driving.
Walk.
We walking. It's time to taste some motherfucking chicken. You heard me? We right here at Massey's right here. Downtown Baltimore, man. This Utah street. You can literally get weed strips, chicken, butte, rats, all in the same motherfucking spot. Niggas got ordered chicken and duck once at the same time out this motherfucker. And we joking. It ain't no real pills out here. None of that. You know we in the hood when you got the motherfucking scooter. You heard me. Catch me rolling, shorty. Picture me rolling. You know how I get. Oh, nigga, own that bitch. So we got to really see who really popping. You feel me? Let him say whatever he gonna say. Long as he don't rob us, I don't give a fuck. We out of here.
I'm the chicken god.
We in the hood, man. Who got the best chicken? Y'all tell me right now. Let me hit this one.
I'm gonna say,
Fuck you talking about, right? God damn. Let me get a little jiggulated. That's gonna really let me know. Is the chicken that good?
Oh, the chicken that good.
We some chicken eating niggas, right?
Some chicken eating motherfuckers.
We really in the hood. I'm scared as a bitch. Let's keep it going. Whatever the fuck he say, chicken and shit. Man, let's walk in here and get some chicken. I can't take it no more. Let's go. It's motherfucking chicken time. Come on, OG. Come on over here. Let me holler at you. Yo, who got the best chicken? Massey, Stokos, Dino barbecue, what?
I'm gonna see Massey's.
You want a piece of chicken first, it says.
Yeah.
Good look at it.
You got me, baby.
This nigga been eating chicken. You got me, baby. This man been
got me,
eating
DC.
chicken since I was in the nutsack. I
That's
swear
right.
to God. We
And I
gonna
like
get you a piece
JJ's
of
chicken over East Baltimore.
JJ's.
We
Here
eat.
come the chicken god. Tell him what happened. Say.
Even the people who work
Hey, yo.
here said Stokos got the best chicken.
Yo, who got the best chicken? Massey's, Stokos.
Macy's all the time, man.
Macy's all the time.
Give him 4 wings for me.
I paid for this already. Give me my money back. I did pay. Look, she got my chicken ready. Oh, he thought I was bullshit. We got the chicken and shit. You already know how we judge our chicken, right? The text, the taste, the crunch. Is it seasoned well? With hot sauce, without hot sauce. You ready? Now, how we gonna do it is, it's either A+ all the way to F. Like, get that chicken to F out of here. So go ahead and get you a piece first. Courtesy of the what?
Chicken god.
Chicken God. First of all, what you seeing first? What you see? I ain't gonna lie, it don't seem extra crunchy. Back about me. Don't cough on my chicken, OJ. It's all about that first bite. Y'all ready for the first bite? Here we go.
It's seasoned right.
Lord chicken.
It has like Old Bay or something.
It got a little season on it for sure, right? As far as like the crunch, I'm giving that like a D. Ain't nothing crunchy about this motherfucker.
It's hot.
And y'all know my slogan. It ain't nothing like no hot chicken. You feel me? Now we gotta try it with the hot sauce. I like to pour that thing all over there. Pour it up. Give me a little drip, make it dip. Ooh, I got some hot sauce. Hold on. The hot sauce tastes better than the chicken. That hot sauce banging, boy. With the hot sauce, though, it got a little better. Let me take one more bite. Chicken God. It's only right if you take a little bite. Let me see what it's hitting for, Chicken God. With the dip.
Let's go.
Mind you.
The man.
What you giving it?
Chicken God gonna give it a C+.
C+, that's
Okay.
real. You heard it from the Chicken God. Let's get OG a piece of this chicken. You want some hot sauce on it? Here we go. Okay, one bite, make it right. What we thinking, OG?
I'm gonna give it like my man said. I'm gonna give it a C+.
I ain't gonna lie. Without the hot sauce, this motherfucker's a C-. With the hot sauce, it's a C- still. But you know what? It's still pretty good, because I'm a little smashed. I'm a little trash.
Whoa, we killing them right now, baby. I see that. But you know we gotta stop the track for a big, huge hood mention. That's right. Big Boss Theo bossed up, man. Do you know not only is he the greatest host and the funniest comedian on YouTube, but he the funniest stand-up comedian alive too. If you want to book him for any show, party, hosting, club, setting, anything, let me know, man. Theo bossed up on Instagram, on all platforms, matter of fact. This guy's one of the best stand-up comedians, improv jokesters, freestylers, rappers, whatever you want to call it, man. That boy can do it. He's talented. Make sure you hit him up, hit us up, buysellblack@gmail.com and get some booking, man, or DM him, Theo bossed up, you know. You want to get a little love or follow him, he'll follow you right back. Theo bossed up, the hottest comedian in the game, the Allen Iverson of comedy, the best of the best, coming for the crown, Comic View legend.
Stop hating on a nigga, man. Salute a nigga, man. It don't cost no money to salute a nigga to say, damn, my nigga, your shit hot, nigga. It don't cost no money, nigga. You niggas like y'all got to pay to give a nigga love, man.
And now we return you to our regular scheduled program in progress.
Got the chicken dance, do the chicken dance, with the chicken that chicken with the chicken with it. Nigga, you ain't eating the cane the whole time? That chicken done got him activated.
I am the Chicken God.
I am. I made it to Dino's, second location. You know what I mean? You feel a little bit safer. We over east with it now. We about to see.
down there, right quick.
You know what I mean? We at Flag House to the left.
Right.
Whoopty whoop, whoppity wop. But we here now.
We up
We
in
about to
there.
get some Dinos. We about to see what's really popping. It's that late night. You lit. We need another shot. We good. That chicken god almost got me fucked up. Let's go get some chicken. Let's go. Ladies first. Hood to hood chicken, bitch. Get that close up on there. I ain't gonna lie, that motherfucker still got the feathers on. That's like pecan.
I don't see no seasoning.
Me either.
I'm gonna get the one without
Okay,
any.
come on, bring it up.
This
Bring
a
it
little
up.
limp. I don't like
Okay,
nothing
hold
limp.
up. This thing is smoking. There's some hot bird right here. You know how we do. Seasoning, da-da-da-da-da. I'm still drunk. Whew. Dang, that joint fresh, hot. I got to try that thing though. It actually do taste better than it look.
It's no seasoning.
I definitely think they forgot to put the salt, pepper, seasoned salt, something on that motherfucker.
They could have put some damn paprika on this.
Let's try it with some hot sauce on it. Oh, it's busting. Put some hot sauce on my burrito, baby. If I eat a feather, I might start to clucking. Let me see. It's definitely crunchier than Massey's though. You don't think this is better than Massey's?
Hell no.
If I gave Massey's a C-, this get a C. But I don't taste the love in this.
It's bullshit.
This that Sesame Street.
That big bird.
Yeah, I'm done with this.
I'm giving Dino's a C, and I'm gonna tell you why. Number one, pluck the goddamn feathers, yo.
You know
back
what
there
I'm giving
working.
Dino's now that I think about it? A D. And it ain't for Dino's. It's for...
All you had to do was pluck the feathers
Was
put
that
some
pigeon?
seasoning salt. Those wings were kind of small.
I heard that they not good for the chicken head.
Well, why would you bring me here?
Cause at first I heard that they was. You know, it be them East Side niggas. They be lying sometimes.
Listen.
Shout out to East Side though. I like East Side.
Where the you at? Let me see
But,
your hands up. Get your-
Stokos, let's go. Okay, so Stokos don't do late night no more.
Disappointed.
You know why?
I'm disappointed.
The same people that own Stokos, they own this right here. Stokos' little brother. Even though we from Baltimore,
I'm from Philly.
we both going to a mutual spot. New York.
New York.
New York fried chicken. New York fried chicken. Let's see what y'all got going on. Where the chicken and shit? I'm so hungry. Let's go.
Dino's
You feel me?
this.
You feel me? I'm trying to see what the legs look like. You know what I mean?
All right, I'm taking this one right
You
here.
taking that one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take me a little leg. Which color ain't had no seeds over here? We put our own seeds. Little salt, pepper, ketchup, hot sauce all over. You know I'm from Baltimore. That's all one word, right? Oh, this is definitely crunchy.
This is perfect.
Definitely got the crunch to it. You know, bite like nigga, right. This is good.
Yeah, it is.
Damn. Okay, little New York fried.
Definitely
Fried.
So good. This is good. I ain't even
Well,
gonna
you
hold
put the seasoning on it or nothing, right?
All
Alright, now let's put some sauce on it. Put a little hot sauce up on that. Okay, we can get a little drip with the dip.
This is my new spot now. I ain't even going back to
I ain't
school.
gonna what? This was worth it. Dang, because I was getting disappointed on the
I know,
They done brought it back.
I'm about to eat the bristle off this jar.
I'm giving this like a B+.
I'm giving it an A.
Crunchy.
I'm gonna give it an A.
I'm giving it a little B+.
This got good flavor and everything.
This joint is hitting. This chicken hitting. I'm giving it a B+. With this hot sauce, it was banging. Without the hot sauce, it was banging. That's a good ass leg. I'm gonna finish this leg. I ain't gonna lie. Let me do a little sprinkle on that thing.
Ain't nothing left.
Let me do a little sprinkle. Do another dip before I lip. There's some good ass chicken right now.
I ain't even gonna hold you.
Hood chicken. You know, see smoke. Yo, y'all take food stamps? They definitely can't be no A+ if you don't get no food stamp. You want one bite?
Look.
So when you drunk, you gotta come here. This worth it. You might can still get shot in any spot that we went to. But if you dodge it, you can eat you some good ass chicken.
I done ate the sip.
Damn, I'm a little smashed. This chicken has sobered me up.
Good.
Little chicken dance. You know what I mean? We all be out tossing with it. Okay, we tried Massey's.
Yes.
We tried Dino's.
Massey's was good.
We
Massey's
ended
was
it
good.
with New York Fried. And
Yeah.
tonight, winner, we already know is Ashley, right? Ta-da! New York Fried Chicken. We in Baltimore, even though it say New York, when you lit, you want to be lit like Bit, eat a little chick. Come right here. You feel me? Oh,
Let's rank them. New York chicken number 1.
New York number 1.
Massey's
number 2. Dino's
like
number 0.
10.
They at the bottom of the list. I heard they got good other shit, but we only focus on the
we
chicken. We definitely got New York with the B+.
A,
You know what I mean?
With the A from me. New
I'm a
York
critic.
got an A.
You know I don't play around. Real quick, man. Give everybody your information. This
Oh,
is my
yes.
girl, Philly. Tell them where to find you,
can
what you got
find me
going
on
on.
IG at Can You Talk with Philly. Can You Talk _Philly. I got a new media company called Philly Talk Media. I do podcasts. I do talent development. I do management. I do marketing and promotions.
And we going to Philly next, right?
Definitely going to Philly.
We gonna
do
represent.
hood to hood cheesesteaks.
Chicken cheesesteaks. You heard? I'm a chicken guy. You already know. Hood to hood chicken. We out, baby.
Hood to hood chicken
Bop, 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 bop.
Where that chicken at, dog? Where that chicken at? Where that chicken at, dog? Where that chicken at? If you catch me in your hood, man, I'm trying to see what's good. Where that chicken at, dog? Where that chicken at? From the east to the west, trying to see who got the best. Where the chicken at, dog? Where that chicken at? This that hood chicken.